What's up, everybody? This is Scott from Sons of Monster Jam. I'm showing you a truck today I found at the store at Walmart. BIGFOOT. It's an old 80s BIGFOOT truck. Hot Wheels monster trucks. Fan favorites, number 4 of 6. Die-cast metal body. Yeah, look at this. BIGFOOT. Look at that little engine there in the front. BIGFOOT Firestone, Hot Wheels. Whoop. Truck's on the back. So that is the BIGFOOT added to the collection. Like, subscribe, comment, and watch out for more videos from Kyle and Scott, Sons of Monster Jam. Also, there's a Scotty Jr., but he doesn't do anything yet. All right. Peace out. Later.